Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में कनाती म्यान al Arabiyati al Akbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News channel. So today we are going to study the next verse from lesson Hud, that is from 54 to 123. And today we will be completing this lesson. اليوم سوف ندرس الآية من 54 إلى 123 من هود the درسي. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we'll start from the verse that is from 54 to 62. First the reading will be done in Arabic language, then the translation will be done in English language. So let's start. Inna qawlu illa taraka badu alihatina bisaw. Kala inni ushhidullaha washhadaw ani bari mimma tushrikon. Min dawnihi faki dawni jami antuma la tumziron. Inni tawakkaltu ala Allahi rabbi wa rabbikum. Ma min dabatin illa huwa akhizum bi nasi yatiha. Inna rabbi ala sirate mustaqim. Fa inta wallaw faqad ablagtukum ma ursiltu bihi ilaykum. Wa yastakhlifu rabbi qawman ghayrakum wa la tadurrawnahu shay'a. Inna rabbi ala kulli shay'in hafiz. Wa lamma jaa amruna najjayna Haudan walla lazina amanaw ma ahaw bi rahmatim minna wa najayannahum min azabin galiz. Wa tilka adun jahadaw bi ayati rabbihim wa asaw rusullahu wa taba'aw amra kulli jabarin anid. Wa utbi'aw fi hashihid dunya lanatan wa yawmal qiyamah. Allah inna adan kafaraw rabbahum. Allah budali adin qawmi hawd. Wa illa tamawda akhahum saliha. Kala ya qawmi budullaha ma lakum min illahin gayruhu. Huwa ansha'akum minal ardi wastamarakum fiha fastaghfirahu thumma tawbaw ilayhi. Inna rabbi Karibum mujib. Kalau ya salihu kad kunta fina marjuvan kabla haza atan hana anah buddha ma ya budu abauna wa inna na lafi shakim mimma tadawna ilaihi murib. So what does it mean in English? So we say nothing but that perhaps some of our gods may have seized thee with imbecility. He said, I call Allah to witness, and do ye bear witness that I am free from the sin of ascribing to him other gods as partners. So scheme your worst against me, all of you, and give me no respite. I put my trust in Allah, my Lord and your Lord. There is not a moving creature, but he hath grasp of its forelock. Verily it is my Lord that is on a straight path. If ye turn away, I at least have conveyed the message with which I was sent to you. My Lord will make another people to succeed you, and you will not harm him in the least, for my Lord hath care and watch over all things. So when our decree issued, we saved Hud and those who believed with him by special grace from ourselves. We saved them from a severe penalty. Such were the Ad people. They rejected the signs of their Lord and cherisher, disobeyed his apostles, and followed the command of every powerful obstinate transgressor, and they were pursued by a curse in this life and on the day of judgment. Ah, behold, for the Ad rejected their Lord and cherisher. Ah, behold, removed from sight were the Ad, the people of Hud. To the Thamud people we sent Salehi, one of their own brethren. He said, O my people, worship Allah. Ye have no other God but him. It is he who hath produced you from the earth and settled you therein. They asked then ask forgiveness of him and turn to him in repentance, for my Lord is always near, ready to answer. They said, O Salih, thou hast been of us a center of our hopes hitherto, dost thou now forbid us the worships of what our fathers worshipped? But we are really in suspicious, disquieting doubt as to that to which thou invitest us. Now next verse comes, that is from 63 to 71. Kala ya qaumi ara'aytum in kuntu ala bayna timir rabbi wa atani minhu rahmatan famani yansuruni minallahi in asaituhu fama tazidawni gaira taksir wa ya qaumi hazihi nakatullahi lakum aitan fazarawha takul fi ardillahi wa la tamassawha bisawin fayakhuzakum azabun kareeb fa akarawha fakala tamatta'u fi darikum thalatata ayyam zalika wadun gairu makzaw falamma ja amruna najayna salihan walazina amanaw ma'ahaw bi rahmatin minna wa min khizyi yawmi is inna rabbaka huwal qawiyul aziz wa akhazal lazina zalamus sayhatu fa asbahahu fi diyarihim jatimi ka'alam yagnaw fiha ala inna tamawda kafaraw rabahum ala budalli tamawd wa laqad ja'at rusuluna ibrahima bil bushra qalau salama qala salam fama labita an jabi ijlin hanis falamma ra'aydiyahum la tasilu ilayhi nakirahum wa awjasa minhum khifaha kalau la takhaf ina ursilna ila qaumi laut wamra utuhauka imatun fadahikat fabasharnaha bi ishaka wa min warai ishaqqa Yaqub. So what does it mean in English? He said, O my people, do ye see, if I have a clear sign from my Lord, and he hath sent mercy unto me from himself, who then can help me against people if I were to disobey him? What then would ye add to my portion but perdition? And O my people, this she-camel of Allah is a symbol to you. Leave her to feed on Allah's free earth and inflict no harm on her, or a swift penalty will seize you. But they did hamstring her. So he said, enjoy yourselves in your homes for 3 days, then we will be your ruin. Behold, there a promise not to be belied. When our decree issued, we saved Salih and those who believed with him by special grace from ourselves and from the ignominy of that day. For thy Lord, he is the strong one and able to enforce his will. The mighty blast overtook the wrongdoers, and they lay prostrate in their homes before the morning, as if they had never dwelt and flourished there. Ah, behold, for the Thamud rejected their Lord and cherisher. Ah, behold, removed from sight were the Thamud. There came our messengers to Abraham with glad tidings. They said, peace. He answered, peace, and hastened to entertain them with a roasted calf. But when he saw their hands went not towards the meal, he felt some mistrust of them and conceived a fear of them. They said, fear not, we have been sent against the people of Lot. And his wife was standing there, and she laughed. But we gave her glad tidings of Isaac, and after him of Jacob. Now next verse comes, that is from 72 to 81. Kalat يا ويلتى ألد وأنا أجوز وحزب لي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب قالوا أتعجبين من أمر الله رحمة الله وبركاته عليكم أهل البيت إنه حميد مجيد فلما ذهب عن إبراهيم الروع وجاءته البشرى يجادلون في قوم لوط إن إبراهيم لحليم أواه منيب يا إبراهيم أسرد عن هذا إنه قد جاء أمر ربك وإنهم أتيهم عذاب غير مردود ولما جاءت رسولنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقال هذا يوم عسير وجاءه قومه يهرعون إليه ومن قبل كانوا يعملون السيئات قال يا قوم هؤلاء بناتي هن أطهر لكم فاتقوا الله ولا تخزوني في ضيفي أليس منكم رجل رشيد قالوا لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لا تعلم ما نريد قال لو أنا لي بكم قوة أو أوي إلى ركن شديد قالوا يا لوط إن رسول ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب. So what does it mean in English? She said, Alas, for me shall I bear a child, saying, I am an old woman, and my husband here is an old man? That would indeed be a wonderful thing. They said, Thou wonder at Allah's decree, the grace of Allah and His blessings on you, O ye people of the house, for He is indeed worthy of all praise, full of all glory. When fear has passed from the mind of Abraham and the glad tidings had reached him, he began to plead with us for Lot's people. For Abraham was without doubt forbearing of faults, compassionate and given to look to Allah. O Abraham, seek not this, the decree of thy Lord hath gone forth for them. There cometh a penalty that cannot be turned back. When our messengers came to look, he was grieved on their account and felt himself powerless to protect them. He said, This is a distressful day. And his people came rushing towards him, and they had been long in the habit of practicing abominations. He said, O my people, here are my daughters, they are purer for you. If ye marry, no fear Allah, and cover me not with shame about my guests. Is there not among you a single right-minded man? They said, Well, thou, no, we have no need of thy daughters. Indeed, thou knowest quite well what we want. He said, What, that I had power to suppress you, or that I could betake myself to some powerful support? The messenger said, O Lot, we are messengers from thy Lord, by no means shall they reach thee, nor travel with thy family while yet a part of night remains, and let not any of you look back, but thy wife will remain behind. To her will happen what happens to the people. Morning is their time appointed, is not the morning night. Now next verse comes, that is from 82 to 88. Okay. فَلَمَّا جَاءَ أَمْرُنَا جَعَلْنَا عَلِيَّهَا سَفِيلَهَا وَأَمْطَرْنَا عَلَيْهَا حِجَارَةً مِّن سِجِّيلٍ مَّنضُودٍ musawamatan inda rabbik wa ma hiya mina zalimina biba'id. Wa illa madyana akhahum shu'aiba qala ya qaumi budullaha ma lakum min ilahin gairuhu wa la tanqusul mikyala wal mizan inni arakum bi khairin wa inni akhafu alaykum azaba yawmin muhit. وَيَا قَوْمِ أَوْفُوا الْمِكْيَالَ وَالْمِيزَانَ بِالْقِسْطِ وَلَا تَبْخَسُوا النَّاسَ أَشْيَاءَهُمْ وَلَا تَطْغَوْا فِي الْأَرْضِ مُفْسِدِينَ بَقِيَّةُ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُم مُّؤْمِنِينَ وَمَا أَنَا عَلَيْكُمْ بِحَافِظٍ قَالُوا يَا شُعَيْبُ أَصَلَاتُكَ تَأْمُرُكَ أَنْ نترك ما يعبد آباؤنا أو أن نفعل في أموالنا ما نشاء إنك لأنت الحليم الرشيد قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي ورزقني منه رزقا حسنا وما أريد أن أكلفكم إلا ما أنهاكم عنه إن أريد إلا الإصلاح ما استطعت وما توفيقي إلا بالله عليه توكلت وإليه أنيب. So what does it mean in English? When our decree issued, we turned the cities upside down and rained down on them brimstones hard as baked clay, spread layer on layer, marked as from thy Lord, nor are they ever far from those who do wrong. To the Madian people we sent Shu'aib, one of their own brethren. He said, O my people, worship Allah, ye have no other God but Him, and give not short measure or wait. I see you in prosperity, but I fear for you the penalty of a day that will compass you all around. And O my Lord, give just measure and wait, nor withhold from the people the things that are there due. Commit not evil in the land with intent to do mischief. That which is left you by Allah is best for you if ye but believed. But I am not set over you to keep watch. They said, O Shoaib, does thy religion of prayer command thee that we leave off the worship which our fathers practiced, or that we leave off doing what we like with our property? Truly thou art the one that forbeareth with faults and is right-minded. He said, O my people, see ye whether I have a clear sign from my Lord, and He hath given me sustenance pure and good as from Himself. I wish not in opposition to you to do that which I forbid you to do. I only desire your betterment to the best of my power, and my success in my task can only come from Allah. In Him I trust, and unto Him I took. Now next verse comes, that is from 89 to 97. وَيَا قَوْمِ لَا يَجْرِمَنَّكُمْ شِقَاقِي أَنْ يُصِيبَكُمْ مِثْلُ مَا أَصَابَ قَوْمَ نُوحٍ أَوْ قَوْمَ هُودٍ أَوْ قَوْمَ صَالِحٍ وَمَا قَوْمُ لُوطٍ مِنْكُمْ بِبَعِيدٍ وَاسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ ثُمَّ تُوبُوا إِلَيْهِ إِنَّ رَبِّي رَحِيمٌ وَدُودٌ قَالُوا يَا شُعَيْبُ مَا نَفْقَهُ كَثِيرًا مِمَّا تَقُولُ وَإِنَّا لَنَرَاكَ فِينَا ضَعِيفًا وَلَوْلَا رَحْمَتُكَ لَرَجَمْنَاكَ وَمَا أَنْتَ عَلَيْنَا بِعَزِيزٍ قال يا قوم أرهطي أعز عليكم من الله واتخذتموه وراءكم ظهريا إن ربي بما تعملون محيط ويا قوم اعملوا على مكانتكم إني عامل سوف تعلمون من يأتيه عذاب يخزيه ومن هو كذي وارتكبوا إني معكم رقيب ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا شعيبا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا وأخذت الذين ظلموا الصيحة فأصبحوا في ديارهم جاثمين كألم يكن فيها الأبدال لمدينة كما بعدت ثمود ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا وسلطان مبين إلا فرعون وملئه فتبعوا أمر فرعون وما أمر فرعون برشيد. So what does it mean in English? And O my people, let not my descent from you cause you into sin, lest ye suffer a fate similar to that of the people of Noah or of Hud or of Saleh. Nor are the people of Lut far off from you, but ask forgiveness of your Lord and turn unto him in repentance, for my Lord is indeed full of mercy and loving kindness. They said, O Shoaib, much of what thou sayest we do not understand. In fact, among us we see that thou hast no strength. Were it not for thy family, we should certainly have stoned thee, for thou hast among us no great position. He said, O my people, is then my family of more consideration with you than Allah? For ye cast him away behind your backs with contempt. But verily my Lord encompasseth on all sides all that ye do, and O my people, do whatever ye can. I will do my part soon. Will ye know who it is on whom descends the penalty of ignominy, and who is a liar? And watch ye, for I too am watching with you. When our decree issued, we saved Shoaib and those who believed with him by special mercy from ourselves. But the mighty blast did seize the wrongdoers, and they lay prostrate in their homes by the morning. And if they had never dwelt and flourished there, behold, how the Madian were removed from sight, as were removed the Thamud. And we sent Moses with our clear signs and an authority manifest unto Pharaoh and his chiefs. But they followed the command of Pharaoh, and the command of Pharaoh was no right guide. Now next verse comes, that is from 98 to 108. Yakdumu qawmahu yawmal qiyamati fa awradahumun narwa bisal virdul mawraud wa utbi fi hazihi La natan wa yawmal qiyamah bisar rifdul marfaud zalika min amba il Quran nakussuhu alayk min haka imun wa hasid wa ma zalam nahum wa lakin zalamu anfusahum fama agnat anhum alihatuhumul lati yad'una min dawnillahi min shay'il lama ja amru rabbik wa ma zadahum ghayra tatbih wa kazalika akhzu rabbika izza akhazal qura wa hiya zalimaha inna akhzahu alimun shahadid Inna fi zalika la ayatal liman khafa azabal akhira zalika yawmun majmu'un ulamhun nasu wa zalika yawmun mashhud wa manu akhiroho illa li ajalim ma daud Yawma yati la takallamu nafsun illa bi iznihi fa minhum shakiyun wa sa'id fa amal lazina shaqaw fa fin nari lahum fiha zafirun wa shahik khalidina fiha ma damate samawatu wal ardu illa ma sha Rabuk inna rabbaka fa alul lima yuri wa amal lazina su'idaw فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ عَطَاءً غَيْرَ مَجْزُوزٍ. So what does it mean in English? We will go before his people on the day of judgment and lead them into the fire as cattle are led to water, but woeful indeed will be the place to which they are led, and they are followed by a curse in this life and on the day of judgment, and woeful is the gift which shall be given unto them. These are some of the stories of communities which we relate unto thee of them. Some are standing and some have been mown down by the sickle of time. It was not we that wronged them, they wronged their own souls. The deities other than Allah, whom they invoked, profited them no whit when there issued the decree of thy Lord, nor did they add out to their lot but perdition. Such is the chastisement of thy Lord when his chastises communities in the midst of their wrong, grievous indeed, and Savior in his chastisement. In that is a sign for those who fear the penalty of the hereafter. That is a day for which mankind will be gathered together. That will be a day of testimony, nor shall we delay it but for a term appointed. The day it arrives, no soul shall speak except by his leave of those gathered. Some will be wretched and some will be blessed. Those who are wretched shall be in the fire. There will be or them therein nothing but the heaving of sighs and sobs. They will dwell therein for all the time that the heavens and the earth endure, except as thy Lord willeth, for thy Lord is the sure accomplisher of what he planneth. And those who are blessed shall be in the garden. They will dwell therein for all the time that the heavens and the earth endure, except as thy Lord willeth, a gift without break. Okay. Next verse, that is from 109 to 117. فَلَتَكُ فِي مِرْيَةٍ مِّمَّا يَعْبُدُ هَؤُلَاءِ مَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا كَمَا يَعْبُدُ آبَاؤُهُمْ مِنْ قَبْلُ وَإِنَّ لَمْ يُوَفَّهُمْ نَصِيبَهُمْ غَيْرَ مَنْقُوصٍ وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَاخْتُلِفَ فِيهِ وَلَوْلَا كَلِمَةٌ سَبَقَتْ مِنْ رَبِّكَ لَقُضِيَ بَيْنَهُمْ وَإِنَّهُمْ لَفِي شَكٍّ مِّنْهُ مُرِيبٍ وَإِنَّ كُلًّا لَمَّا لَيُوَفِّيَنَّهُمْ رَبُّكَ أَعْمَالَهُمْ إِنَّهُ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ فَاسْتَقِمْ كَمَا أُمِرْتَ وَمَنْ تَابَ مَعَكَ وَلَا تَطْغَوْا إِنَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ بَصِيرٌ وَلَا تَرْكَنُوا إِلَّا الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا فَتَمَسَّكُمُ النَّارُ وَمَا لَكُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ مِنْ أَوْلِيَاءَ ثُمَّ لَا تُنصَرُونَ وَأَقِيمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِّنَ اللَّيْلِ إِنَّ الْحَسَنَاتِ يُذْهِبْنَ السَّيِّئَاتِ ذَلِكَ ذِكْرًا لِلذَّاكِرِينَ وَاصْبِرْ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُضِيعُ أَجْرَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ فَلَوْلَا كَانَ مِنَ الْقُرُونِ مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ أُولُو بَقِيَّةٍ يَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْفَسَادِ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا مِّمَّنْ أَنْجَيْنَا مِنْهُمْ وَتَابَ عَلَى الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مَا أُتْرِفُوا فِيهِ وَكَانُوا مُجْرِمِينَ وَمَا كَانَ رَبُّكَ لِيُهْلِكَ الْقُرَى بِظُلْمٍ وَأَهْلُهَا مُصْلِحُونَ. So what does it mean in English? Be not then in doubt as to what these men worship. They worship nothing but what their fathers worshipped before them. But verily, we shall pay them back in full their portion without the least abatement. We certainly gave the book to Moses, but differences arose therein had it not been that a word had gone forth before from thy Lord, the matter would have been decided between them. But they are in suspicious doubt concerning it. And of a surety to all, will your Lord pay back in full the recompense of their deeds, for he knoweth well all that they do. Therefore stand firm in the straight path, as thou art commanded, thou and those who with thee turn unto Allah, and transgress not from the path, for he seeth well all that ye do, and incline not to those who do wrong, or fire will seize you, and ye have no protectors other than Allah, nor shall ye be helped. And establish regular prayers at the two ends of the day and at the approaches of the night. For those things that are good, remove those that are evil, but be that the word of remembrance to those who remember their Lord. And be steadfast in patience, for verily Allah will not suffer the reward of the righteous to perish. Why were there not among the generations before you persons possessed of the balanced good sense, prohibiting men from mischief in the earth, except a few among them, whom we saved from harm? But the wrongdoers pursued the enjoyment of the good things of life which were given them, and persisted in sin. Nor would thy Lord be the one to destroy communities for a single wrongdoing, if its members were likely to mend. Now next verse comes, that is from 118 to 123. Then afterwards this lesson is finished. وَلَوْ شَاءَ رَبُّكَ لَجَعَلَ النَّاسَ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَلَا يَزَالُونَ مُخْتَلِفِينَ إِلَّا مَن رَحِمَ رَبُّكَ وَلِذَلِكَ خَلَقَهُمْ وَتَمَّتْ كَلِمَةُ رَبِّكَ لَأَمْلَأَنَّ جَهَنَّمَ مِنَ الْجِنَّةِ وَالنَّاسِ أَجْمَعِينَ وَكُلًّا نَقُصُّ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الرُّسُلِ مَا نُثَبِّتُ بِهِ فُؤَادَكَ وَجَاءَكَ فِي هَذِهِ الْحَقُّ وَمَوْعِظَةٌ وَذِكْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَقُلْ لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ اعْمَلُوا عَلَى مَكَانَتِكُمْ إِنَّا عَامِلُونَ وَانْتَظِرُوا إِنَّا مُنْتَظِرُونَ وَلِلَّهِ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُ الْأَمْرُ كُلُّهُ فَاعْبُدْهُ وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَيْهِ وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ. So what does it mean in English? If thy Lord had so willed, he could have made mankind one people, but they will not cease to dispute, except those on whom thy Lord hath bestowed his mercy, and for this did he create them, and the word of thy Lord shall be fulfilled. I will fill hell with, and men all her. All that we relate to thee of the stories of the apostles, with it we make firm thy heart in them. There cometh to thee the truth as well as an exhortation and a message of remembrance to those who believe. Say to those who do not believe, do whatever ye can, we shall do our part, and it ye, we too shall wait. To Allah do belong the unseen secrets of the heavens and the earth, and to him goeth back every affair for decision. Then worship him and put thy trust in him, and thy Lord is not mindful of aught that ye do. So, this chapter is over. هذا كل شيء لهذا اليوم. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سنتيا سامسون من قناة ميانا العربية أخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا الأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.